Peace, family. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to update your credit report as far as you having lates on your credit report. Like, let's say you are 30 days late, 60 days late, 90 days late, or 120 days late. There's a secret. It's a quick method. It's a great format and how you can have that account showing paid as agreed by doing this simple step here. Now, it's also in my credit repair manuscript as far as taking you through the steps to get all of these things updated. But for those of you who need a visual, here's another one for you here. Now, see, all you have to do here is to actually write a letter to the actual creditor. Of course, this is after you've already frozen the credit repair alter agencies. I have a video up on my YouTube channel, Fourth Origin TV. Go check it out. I'm not going to get into it on this video. However, after you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to write them a check. You're going to go ahead and write them a check for whatever amount. If it's, just a 30-day payment, or if it's 60 days worth of a payment, or you want to pay it up as agreed. You want to pay it all the way up to you're 120 days late and you want to pay for those 120 days that you were late. Go ahead and do that. Now, what you're going to write on the back of that check is that the creditor agrees upon depositing this check that now it's recognized as paid as agreed. Something along those lines. You're going to write that on the back of the check. Now, what they call that is a restrictive endorsement agreement. Now, that restrictive endorsement agreement is legally binding once that check is deposited into the creditor's account. Once you have proof of them actually cashing it and that money coming out of your account, then you now have legal standing to hold them to that agreement on the back of that check. Now, family, I really hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave your email in the comments. Leave your question in the comment as well, and I can help you out. Peace.